All right, y'all. I'm here with Marvin. Marvin is Yoda and Yoda 3.
Yoda.3.
Yoda.3 on Instagram. You'll know. I'll put his picture of the Model 3 he got. We're inside his Model 3 studios. Man, this thing is next level stuff. Look at that. Champagne glass. We got Negroni, some cash right here. Rules everything around me. Look at that. Chandelier. I'm telling you, man. Next level. You know that bottle is spinning back there? It's spinning around, man. So, we're in this Model 3. And where's that award?
Yeah.
Top 3 best frunk, just because it's on next level stuff here. So, he's on bags. What else is on here?
Just pretty much VIP stuff. I'm sitting on work wheels, 20 by 9.5 by 10.5 in the back.
Is there an offset on that?
It's a little aggressive. It's like plus 15.
Plus 15.
Yeah. So, yeah, I'm just pretty much not much.
Chilling, right? Yeah.
It's not much.
Has it affected the range or anything? What is this? A
2022.
2022
Long range.
long range, and you got bags. You got a little offset on the wheels, and this is originally black.
Yes.
And then the wrap is like a gray.
Bernina gray with gold dust.
Nice.
Yes.
It's nice, man. It's nice. I love the setup, man. It's just the ambiance, just the
cozy. It's a day party, you know.
Yeah.
Take the wife out and.
Yeah. So what's the range that you're getting on? Did you lose a little bit or?
No, I don't, because I ride low.
Oh, better aerodynamics.
Yeah, I ride low. I ride super.
You know how I've heard that when you bag your car, you improve the ride quality, like the feeling. Does it feel like that? A little softer.
Way better than stock. In my opinion, it is. It's more softer. Just comfier. Yeah. It just feels pretty good. Exactly.
Yeah. How long have you had the bags on here?
Since 2023, I think.
So like pretty much almost when you got the.
Almost 3 years now.
And you daily this, huh?
Yeah, I gotta take this to work.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's pretty good.
Occasionally, I take the wife's car.
What does she got?
A Model Y. So.
Oh, so you got 2 EVs?
Yeah. So
nice.
I usually just.
Did you do anything to that one?
No.
Stock?
Yeah.
She's like, don't touch that one.
But I don't trust her with anything else. So.
Yeah, man, this is Marvin's Model 3. I just had to take a peek in here because it's just next level stuff. I love it. Make sure you follow him. I'll put his Instagram on there. He's in all these events. And if you see him out there, say what's up.
Yes.
Follow him on Instagram and check out the photos of the car. Oh my goodness, it's really dope. Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, man. Good seeing you, man.
Likewise.
Yeah.